Alright, well I was reluctant to get one of the light boxes last time because I wasn't sure if they'd be any good, but that was full of nice shoes. Nike shoes, Dr. Martens, Adidas slides. So this one's not as light, but let's see what's in it. It's an Amazon mystery box, packed by Amazon. Don't know what's in it. The aim of the game here is to turn what's in this box into profit by selling it in my 7,500 square foot store, which you can't see, but behind those walls I promise you there is a store, and on eBay. So let's see what we've got. Oh yes, I don't believe it, another pair. I know exactly what they are. They are On Clouds. Yep. My wife's going to keep the pair that we found before, but I know that these are worth about $130. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, brand new. Oh man, scored, absolutely scored. And we've got more slides too. Yep, killing it. Super happy. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and list this, and we'll see what it's worth. These are very valuable, and we can put them on eBay too. So let's see. Come back at $154.99. Let's see what eBay's got them at. We'll steal that title and do a title search. Yeah, brand new 120. Let's go lowest condition. Yeah, 120. Easy. What are these? These are pre-owned. Brand new 127, so 130. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna go $129.99 on those. And put my comp at 140. It's gonna go on the shelf at $97.99. We'll put it as shoes. And yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and list. And so we're going to do these other things first because my phone is busy uploading stuff, so and it just crashed. Okay, so we're going to ignore that then. So we're just going to list this on eBay so I can show you how that works. It's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to scan this QR code. So the system picked up that it's a valuable item. It searched the comps on eBay. It figured out that it's definitely worth us selling it on eBay. And so now, if I can get this to work. Okay, my phone is playing up. I think I'm running out of battery. I think that's the problem. Okay, yeah, it's dying all over the place. No, this phone is completely spazzing out. I'll be right back. Alright, I think I got it working. So I'm going to take these out. I'm going to get some photos for eBay. And I'll show you how that works. So I like to take the first photo with the box and the shoes all in one shot. So we're just going to go ahead and get that photo. Boom. And we're going to take the box out of the frame. And we're going to get, I don't know what my phone's doing, it keeps trying to open things. Okay, so we're going to take another photo. Boom. Yeah, I know this low power, thank you very much. Alright, next one from the back. Thank you. Okay. Then I'm going to get the side profiles of each one. Side shot. Boom. And one more. Add another photo. Boom. Okay, we'll do the same with these. Add another photo. Boom. Use. And then add another photo. Last one. Boom. Alright. So now we're going to hit submit. Now that is going to go to my eBay drafts. And hit refresh. And there they are. So it's recommending we price at 106. I don't think so. We go 129.90. Actually, let's look at the comps, the sold comps, because AI might be right. They're all used. No, I'm gonna go 124.99 on those. $124.99. So the AI went and created the title, went and created the entire listing, the description, everything, and I'm just going to press one button and it's going to get published to eBay. If this happens to sell in my store, the item will be removed from eBay automatically, and will and vice versa, it'll be removed from my website if it sells on eBay. So that's it. I'll get this labeled up and be right back. Alright, we're going to add 3 more pairs of these slides. So we already had, I think it was 5 pairs from the last box, so these will be overstock. So we'll put these up as overstock and do that after. I want to see what's in these other shoes. I want to see what's in these. Okay, these feel pretty light. They feel like kids' shoes. Yep, little kids' shoes. Okay, so they'll go in my shoe box. And we'll just put 1 pair of shoes down there. So we'll record it. And these can go into this box here. This box can get trashed. Alright, let's see what's in these. Alright, feel like adult shoes. Let's see. Oh, these are boots. Cool. They'll sell well. Probably a winter item, but I'm sure women buy boots in the summer too. So these will go in my shoebox. And record that. So I got a bunch of these cat treats. They're all past Best Buy, so they're all just going to go straight in the bin. Not the trash can, but we have bins where we sell product out of, so that's where all these are going to go. So 2, 3, 4, and we will record 4 bin items. Let's see, what are these? These are another pair of shoes. It's just some Chinesey shoes, so there's 1 pair of Chineseys. These might be good. They're nice. Let's see if they come up if we scan this barcode. Then we can do an eBay lookup if they look decent. Oh wow, okay, so 144. These are Nordstrom shoes. Damn, got lucky. Let's see, Fair Campo. Oh yeah, brand new. Oh yeah, look at that, killing it. 117, 120. So these are a nice pair of shoes. So we're going to go ahead and list those as well. We'll put the comp at 130, 19.99 for the price. So our box is already at where are we at? 163. After this, we're going to be killing it about 260, 250. So we'll go ahead and list that. Now it's asking me to list it on eBay. Heck yeah, I want to list it on eBay. So we're going to scan the QR code. My phone is not liking this. Come on, buddy. That's what I get for not charging my phone. Okay. Let's see if we can get this listed before my phone dies. Can't even read QR codes anymore. Okay, so get the shoes out of the box. So put it like that, and then put these in, laces in. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's all the way back. Take that first photo. Okay, get rid of this box. Get the next one. Boom. Now from the back. Boom. Each shoe from the side. Two. And the back two. The bottom, I should say. 3. One. 2, 3, and that's it. Submit. That's going to go straight to my drafts. We'll come over here, refresh. That's a good price, but we'll go a little bit cheaper so we can move it faster. $114.99. It's my AI created the title and the description, and we will now hit publish. Actually, let's go $119. Publish to eBay, and that's it. Done. Alright, I'm going to get these labeled and be right back. Cool, so going through the last little bits of this box now. We're going to put in 2 more pairs of shoes. I'll go into my shoebox and let's see what we've got in here. Just Scrappy Cocos, 2 more of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bin items. And that is that. 2, 3, 4, 5. These all go in the bin box. That's it. Another box cleared out. Let's see what their final total was. $267.95. That was a fantastic box. We got some nice shoes out of there. Happy to have those in my store. Definitely happy with that box. So yeah, that's what an Amazon mystery box looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video.